When it comes to relaxation, the best hot tub can truly transform your space. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is worth the investment? In this video, we'll dive into the top hot tubs available today, breaking down what makes each stand out so you can make an informed decision on the perfect spa for your needs. INTEX Inflatable Hot Tub. The INTEX Inflatable Hot Tub offers a fantastic home spa experience without the hefty price tag of traditional hot tubs. Designed to accommodate up to 4 people, this spa provides a relaxing and comfortable environment thanks to its fiber tech beam construction that ensures both stability and a soft, luxurious feel. The built-in fast-fill inflation system makes setup a breeze, allowing you to inflate and deflate with just a push of a button. No external hose needed. With a removable wireless control panel that operates for 48 hours on a single charge, the PURESPA lets you control all functions from your phone or tablet, offering convenience at your fingertips. Premium accessories such as 2 contoured headrests and a multicolored LED light further enhance the experience, making it ideal for unwinding after a long day. Though the spa delivers excellent relaxation and comfort, some users have noted challenges with maintaining consistent heat, particularly during colder weather. However, its portable design and affordability make it a great option for anyone looking to add a spa experience to their home without the usual maintenance and price of a traditional hot tub. For the ultimate relaxation at a fraction of the cost, the INTEX PURESPA is a top contender. M-Spa Super CAMARO. This massage spa is an ideal option for those seeking a relaxing and enjoyable outdoor hot tub experience. Designed to comfortably fit 4 to 6 people, this inflatable spa offers soothing relief with 138 air jets, delivering a powerful bubble massage from all angles. The heating system works efficiently, reaching a maximum temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit with a heating rate of 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit per hour, ensuring a warm soak in no time. The easy setup is another highlight, featuring a built-in fast-fill inflation system, allowing for quick inflation without the need for external hoses. Plus, the removable wireless control panel with integrated charging gives you complete control over the spa's functions, even allowing you to operate it remotely. Additional accessories like 2 contoured headrests, an energy-efficient cover, and a multicolored LED light enhance the experience, adding both comfort and ambience. Despite its impressive features, some users may find it a bit cramped for 6 adults. It's also important to note that the spa isn't available in certain states, including California and New York. Overall, the M-Spa Super CAMARO delivers an excellent balance of luxury, convenience, and relaxation at a reasonable price. Perfect for a backyard oasis. INTEX PURESPA Hot Tub. The INTEX PURESPA Hot Tub offers an outstanding spa experience with a perfect blend of comfort, technology, and ease of use. Designed for up to 6 people, this inflatable hot tub is equipped with 170 high-powered air jets, ensuring a relaxing and soothing massage experience. Whether you're soaking after a long day or hosting friends, the spa's adjustable temperature settings let you tailor the experience to your liking. The built-in hard water treatment system not only softens the water for a more gentle feel on the skin, but also helps preserve the spa's components. The 4 included headrest pillows made from ultra-soft polyurethane foam ensure comfort and can be easily adjusted for the perfect position. One of the standout features of this hot tub is the color-changing LED lights, which add a magical ambiance especially for evening soak. The PURESPA Plus is easy to set up and operate, with a user-friendly control panel and a durable design that ensures years of use. Although it's priced higher than some competitors, the quality, features, and overall relaxation it provides make the INTEX PURESPA Plus a solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor relaxation. ALEKO Inflatable Hot Tub. The ALEKO Inflatable Hot Tub Spa delivers a relaxing and affordable solution for those seeking personal outdoor relaxation. With its 145-gallon capacity and 100 high-powered bubble jets, this spa provides a soothing massage experience. The upgraded 1200-watt heater allows the water to heat up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for unwinding after a long day. A fitted cover with a foil underside helps lock in heat, improving energy efficiency. While the hot tub is quick to inflate and deflate for easy storage, some users have noted slower heating times, especially in colder temperatures, which may require extra patience for a comfortable soak. The control box should be switched off every 48 hours for optimal heating performance, which could be a hassle for some. Although compact and designed for portability, the durability of the inflatable structure has received mixed reviews, with some concerns about the material's sturdiness. Despite these minor drawbacks, the ALEKO provides a budget-friendly way to enjoy the benefits of a hot tub, especially for those with limited space. For couples looking for a personal spa experience in their backyard, it's an ideal option, offering both comfort and convenience at a reasonable price. INTEX PURESPA Plus. The INTEX PURESPA Plus is a standout choice for those seeking a relaxing, portable spa experience without the hefty price tag of traditional hot tubs. This 6-person inflatable hot tub offers a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and value. With 170 high-powered bubble jets, it delivers a soothing massage experience that can be customized with a simple touch of the button. The built-in heater pump allows you to adjust the temperature up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a comfortable soak in all season. What sets this model apart is its durable fiber-tech construction, which includes 48 beams for added stability and strength, making it robust enough for multiple users. The included hard water treatment system makes the water gentler on the skin, providing an extra layer of relaxation. In terms of maintenance, the PURESPA Plus is easy to care for with replaceable filter cartridges, ensuring the water remains clean and refreshing. The package also includes a fitted cover to lock in heat, enhancing the spa's energy efficiency. While setup can take some time, especially when heating the water, the overall experience is rewarding. For those looking to unwind in a spacious, high-quality inflatable spa, the INTEX PURESPA Plus offers an excellent balance of features, comfort, and portability.